guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today my daughter and I stopped by Dollar Tree and they were just putting out Valentine's Day decorations, and so I was looking at them and my daughter called me over to come see the Easter decorations that they had just put out. So today I want to show you my Easter haul from Dollar Tree. First I want to start with these cute little bunny pics. So we have the cute little boy bunnies with their little cute bow ties, and then we have the cute little girl bunnies with their little daisy in their hair. And so these were only $1 at Dollar Tree. Next, I love these bunny pics too. This was the first time I've ever seen these, and so they have them in purple, pink, and also blue. And it's a 4-piece in each pack. I finally found some of the metal words. I was looking for these over Christmas and I never could find any, so I finally found some today. And the words are spring, bunny, and welcome. So there's 3 pieces in each bag. I also found some of these speckled Easter eggs, and I bought some of these last year and they're so cute, and so lots of things you can do with these. I also bought a couple packages of these carrots, and they've got the twine wrapped around them, so they look really pretty on a wreath. So I picked up 2 packages of the carrots, and there's 4 carrots in each package. Next, I picked up these little felt craft kit, and they're cute little rabbits, and so each kit will make there's 6 kits in each bag, and they also had, I believe they had chicks and one other design, but I can't remember, but these are so cute. And then we have some egg picks, and so we've got the ones, some of them have like polka dots and glitter, some have stripes, and there's different sizes too. And then here's a smaller size, and some are just let's see, this is a 10-piece package. The larger ones, there's only 4 eggs in each package, and then in this one there's 5. I also picked up several bunches of roses. They had just put a lot of these out for Valentine's Day, and so these are the pink roses, and they're more like a bud. So I haven't seen these before, so I picked up a couple of these. And they're almost kind of a peachy pink. And then I picked up some of the roses that have 2 or 3 colors on them. Aren't these beautiful? I would love to have these blooming in my yard. And then I also picked up some white roses, and then some of the cream color rose buds. Next we have ribbon, and this is really cute. This is the 2.5-inch width ribbon, and there's 3 yards. And they had 3 different designs, and then they had a couple of the solid color ribbon too. And then they put out their deco mesh for Easter, and they only had the 3 colors. They have the blue, the white, and the pink, and my daughter was thinking they had purple last year, but we didn't find any purple this year. And it's 6 inches in width and 5 yards long. And so that's it for our Easter Dollar Tree shopping haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope everyone has a wonderful night.